Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video about the fuel level sensor. So I just going to on this dumper. So you can see I have on the, and you can see needles, all the needles going up, down and settling himself. So here you can see now all the needles are settled himself, and this time dumper is in on condition, and you can see this gauge is showing that this condition is showing that the fuel level is 0, is at red sign. It means it's showing that tank is empty, but tank is not empty. Okay, so it's mean the gauge is gauge is okay, because you can needle is and we on the dumper, needle is moving. It's mean this is okay. So it's mean problem maybe is my fuel level sensor. So I'm going to downside and also show you the condition of the fuel level sensor. So viewers, here you can see it shows almost 3/4 fuel in the tank. So it's manually it's showing the fuel is half, but maybe the sensor's problem. So I'm going to remove this sensor, okay, and I fix a new one, and after I will. So yes, now I'm going to remove this sensor. Here are two screws. One is this one and one is this one. So, and this connector, I remove this one, and also I remove this screws. So you can see in this way I have removed my sensor here like this. Okay. So viewers, you can see I have this old sensor which I removed from the machine, and this one is my new sensor which I'm going to fix it to the machines. First I show you how we can test the fuel level sensor by using the multimeter. I'm going to test my this bad sensor which not giving good readings. So what I have to do, this is my multimeter. I put my knob at the resistance sides, and I put at 4 ohm resistance of my multimeter, and this my multimeter I connected to my this sensor through this one connector. Okay, so like this. So now I will check the resistance of this sensor, fuel level sensor. When its resistance decrease or increase, it mean it resistance is a good one. So when I have connected already my multimeter, here you can see I put at the ohm side resistance. You can see it's showing the OL mean open loop. It mean it's showing the open circuit, mean it not showing any resistance, therefore showing my this sensor is bad. Therefore it's not measuring the level of the fuel. So it means my sensor is bad. Even so, with help of this screwdriver, this is a magnet, so I move to the clockwise or anti-clockwise, but you can see here not any resistance is showing, not any reading is coming here. It means my sensor is no good. Now in front, so now I will fix my new sensor in the circuit in place of this old one. So I will check my new sensor is giving any reading or not. So here you can see I have fixed this my new sensor in the circuit and going to test it whether it is giving any reading or not. If it's giving any readings, it means my new sensor is a good one. So here you can see as I connect my sensors, it's showing 45 ohms. So as you can see, with the help of my screwdriver, I will rotate this my magnets. So when I moved in the clockwise direction, so my resistance is increasing. When I move in the anti-clockwise, so resistance is decreasing. So it's mean my sensor is working. In this way, we test our sensor. So now I'm fixing back my this new fuel level sensor. I'm fixing back. It's not very difficult. It's very only there's only 2 screws are here. So I'm fixing back. This is an already finished work, right? Now see, is good, no problem. This is my connector. I fix my connector here. Okay, this is I have installed my new fuel level sensor is installed now. Okay, so here you can see this one also showing that is more than 3 1/4. Okay, the tank is already this here full, and here is it, no, this needle is here. So it's mean my this I have the fuel. This is my new sensor. Okay, so now we go inside the cabin and will show you the reaction of my gauge. So I have fixed new one. I'm going inside the cabin. So here you can see now I have come inside the cabin and going to on my dumper. Was on. Now my sensor, so you can see all the needles are settling himself, going up down. Okay, so now you can see now is my fuel gauge is working. Okay, our problem is finished. Problem was only my sensor was has the problem. So I changed the sensor. So now you can see gauge is showing as it's showing outside on the sensor, same level showing here, fuel level. So my problem is finished. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.